Hey y'all, it's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, and I'm coming back to you with another video. It's super cold outside, so I've got a quick and easy meal that you can make on the go. I'm going to show you how to make some Big Frank spread. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I got to go back inside because it's cold. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye! Alright, the first thing you're going to do is open your can of Big Franks. Big Franks are a vegan hot dog substitute. And I'm just gonna start breaking these into some smaller pieces to put into my food processor. And I'm doing this to help get a smoother consistency for our spread. If you don't have a food processor, you can take a bowl and a fork and just mash these up. You can use however many Big Franks your food processor can hold. I'm using about 4. So you're gonna just pulse these until they're smooth enough or to your liking. So I did it a couple times until I was satisfied with the texture that I had. So now I'm just transferring all of my Big Franks into a bowl so that way I can start adding the rest of my ingredients and get this spread started. Alright, I've got a couple dollops of my favorite vegan mayonnaise substitute that I'm going to add in here, followed by a little pickle relish. I'm going to add some ketchup and then some seasonings. I've got garlic powder going in here, and then I've got a little bit of some onion powder, followed by some black pepper. And this recipe is really to taste, so you just need to, modify to your taste buds, but make sure that everything is well incorporated by giving everything a really good stir. Like I said, this recipe is to taste, so once you've got everything mixed up, you're going to need to do a taste test. I liked where my spread was going, but I decided to go back in with a little bit of ketchup, and I like it spicy, so I added some pickled jalapenos. I mixed everything up again, and I did another taste test, and I was satisfied. I think it's poppin'. And that's really all it takes to make some Big Frank spread, and there's so many different ways you can serve it. You can do it like you see it pictured here with crackers, or you can toast some bread with some lettuce and a little mustard and put it on a sandwich. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out last week's, and I'll see you next time.